UMDC ka ramrai jerngam ubak bajop pengrop menta kasngi ula yaro ya kaseng sign Perthai National People's Party neka NPP da ka baong badai tangka neka seng ka ba 4 juyo sngo bakan don kano ka jing yashrut hapdeng kinong yalam jongka ya kanela ong hakasngi ka ba ula let ban penyaso yalade bat kaneka party menta kasngi nakaliang kinong yalam jongka party NPP kila pediang sngo bahaya UMDC ka ramrai jerngam ubak bajop pengrop ban long kumud khot jongka party haka jingyalang ka balalong menta kasngi haka office trekam jongka seng ubak bajop pengrop ulaong bakadaw ban nakaliang jongu ula shim ya karai ban penyaso ya lade ka party NPP ka long namar badai tangkan ni ka party ka ba 4 judan kano ka jingya shrut hapdeng kinong yalam jongka nadu kasngi balathaw ya ka ubak bajop pengrop ulaong bakaram rai jerngam constituency kabajudai ka constituency jong ka party congress hanrei da ka jingwan penyaso jongu bat kumju kinong kershan jongu klempep haus nam arjar arpulai kane ka constituency kan kelalong ka constituency jong ka party NPP
ka West Khasi Hills district ka district ka ba ka NPP ka wan baningkong hapo ka Khasi Jantil Hills region kini kidaw kiba perlong yang bangan rong siapo ka National People's Party ka party babhioi nadu bala seng hadu menta kasngi ngim joi bakin ya syurat iwai kata kadai ka National People's Party kata kadai ka daw ka ba kring yang bangan rong siapo ka National People's Party pa babayit nga ay kublay kerpang ye honorable chief minister barki colleagues jongi ki ba priang sobha yang bangan nyalong dukhot jong ka NPP bat nga kubaru bangan num tray ya ka NPP tang haram rajer ngam henrei ha borok kawai ka jella ngan tray shitam bangin pen kiaw ya kan ka party bat da ka jing tray shitam jonga jong pi ngin pen pa ya ka vote share jong ka NPP sha san pau percent house nam arajar arpulai kata ka dei ka thong ka bangadan ka mensiam jonga bat kata ka dei ka thong ka banga nga kwa ba mapi iwei ba pinelek shaki yeng ki sam shaki shinang shaki yaw ki hat ba pin sapriang ya kan ya kubor bangin ya tray shitam baka NPP kan yo sensyar marway house nam arajar arpulai kata ka dei ka thong ka bang ibu
tang bamenta kan mau na village biang salasnong la jong sa ramrai konsensi kibabon ba kijing pesutu bakla namar belai kinong syun ki kwa banyo i bangi ya pai ngi ya pra teken mau tang kawai ngong pi nakaliang jong ka NPP u national president u chief minister jongi mga kom u deputy CM u vice president mangi boro ngani ka team kabing don ngidon tan kawai kasur kawai kadur long tik kum silok kawai kado kawai kasnam ngatrai katang hi sutu ba kan mau bahaya kata kinok syun politically mentaka ka bagile ki persangkat bala ya kaban pensuatu bakla ngalade ong teng hakane ka ju ko jaka dang bon ki leaders ki ban sa join ka party
to see that a large number of people have started believing in the vision of the National People's Party. A large number of people have started believing in the leadership at different levels. I'm not talking about the national president alone. A party is not made up of one person. Party is made up of a team. And every person in the team has a role to play. And as long as we can ensure that the positive qualities of every individual and the constructive work that every individual can add to the party and to the system and to the organization and to service to the people, that will be the only way that we can move forward to take our party as well as the state, the region and the country forward. So therefore today is another red letter day for the National People's Party, where we are seeing many leaders, experienced, young, energetic, dynamic leaders from different regions, whether Jantil Hills, Khasi Hills, West Khasi Hills, Ribhoy, Garo Hills. Today we are seeing the response of the party from every nook and corner of the state. And that is one of the second, I should say, strengths of the party.